Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the slicer style in Power BI. Now it's very easy and simple. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and just click on whatever slicer you're going to change the style for. So let's say this one right here, just click on it. Okay, as you can see, this one is sliced into three. There's country, city, and then customer names. Okay, so once you click on your visualization, you come here and click on format your visual. So you click on this icon, okay? You see with the charts and the paintbrush icon. So click on this, and here under visual, you'll see style slicer settings. Now, click on this to change your style, and under options, okay, you'll see style. So there's two different styles. There's a vertical style and the drop down style. So if I choose drop down, it changes to drop down, as you can see, right? So now I can come here and do the drop down for these, or we can go ahead and use the vertical list. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.